If you'd like to see how I created these simple but glamorous 2 DIYs, less than 5 minutes each, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be making a really quick DIY wine bottle. It's going to be very different than I've usually done them before. I'm really in a hurry, like usual, and I'm on my way to get my hair done, but my stylist just had a new salon open up, and it's very nice. It's very fabulous. It has like black and gold, so I have these golds. I don't have time to bling this whole thing out or glitter it. That's how short for time I am. Cut out some vinyl. This is the name of his salon. And the theme, he has some really nice Louis Vuitton print on the wall. I'm gonna incorporate this, and I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Then I also have a Dollar Tree mirror. I cut out some vinyl with the name of his salon here as well, and I'm gonna try to work this out really quickly and we'll see what I put together. So I'm gonna start off by running this under hot water and getting this label off this bottle. As you can see, everything has been scraped off. I just used some hot water and like a Brillo scrub pad. And just to make sure that there's no extra residue, I'm gonna just take some alcohol and just wipe it off a little bit more. And make sure it's dry. I'm gonna take this vinyl and apply it to the bottle. And this is going to be something very plain but still cute and straight to the point. So I'm applying it close to the bottom of the bottle because I'm going to apply something else at the top. This is just some regular signed vinyl from Amazon. I already cut it out with my Silhouette Cameo. And towards the top, I'm going to apply E6000 to add this to the bottle. This is a luxury patch that can be ironed on to clothing, or you can glue this on to your clothing, or you can glue it on whatever you like to. These are available on my website at myroyalradiance.com. I don't want to put too much glue because I don't want it to stain the bottle. Okay, so I'm just adding some E6000 to put this patch on the bottle just to give it some glam. And I do apologize, I did not realize my camera was not level with the area that I'm working on the bottle. Now I did have to hold this down. I didn't have time to hold it, so I did end up adding some masking tape. And still, as I tested it afterwards, I ended up using like a type of super glue, that Bob Smith's glue. The MAXI, I end up adding a little bit more glue to really make this lock in place. But adding masking tape does help. That dries a little faster on this top area. The glue I'm using is the Bob Smith's MAXI in the pink bottle. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this little mesh, these mesh studs, and they're gold. And this is like a really quick cured glue. So this really came in handy. So I just opened up this Dollar Tree mirror. This is like an 8x11 size. I cleaned it off really good with alcohol, and then I just already had the signed vinyl cut out, and I just added that on to the mirror. Made sure it was lined up really well. I used this really pretty cursive. I can't think of the name of it. Maybe it's Edwardian script or swordfish or something like that. But I just used like an old gift card, pulled that off, and I think it looked very good as is. I didn't add anything to the frame. Here is the final finished result, and this was like super quick, you guys. Let me know what you think. It's very minimal. Now I know a lot of you like all that bling and extra glam and glitter, and I do too, but sometimes if you don't have time for that, I think something like this would be very nice and come in handy. And I gave it to him and he absolutely loved it. He wasn't expecting it. He loved it. He absolutely loved it, and I thought it was very nice, and I was glad that he did like it. And then with the mirror, I ended up not adding too much to it. It was just a nice clean look. The black went along with his salon as well. I love the font that I used, and this is just something he can sit up in his salon. It represents the name of his salon, and it was a great gift idea, you know, you guys. So This just goes to show that sometimes less can be more. It really can. If you know how to, another option would be to, of course, make your own customized label. I'm not really into that and I don't know how to do it, but that could be another option as well for like the wine bottle. This mirror is just so simple and clean. I love it. But this wine bottle is just it's really pretty. Sometimes less can really be more. I know these patches are usually used on Crocs. They're used on like denim jackets. They could be ironed on. But I just wanted to give a different twist of how you can do a wine bottle or just other ways to use these patches. If you're into a very minimalistic look, this is absolutely great. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. It's at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. It's the same name on TikTok. And also, I just reached 15,000 subscribers recently, you guys. I want to say hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. And thanks for checking out this channel. Bye-bye.